Let's get to know and navigate Xello's dashboard. All right, once you're in Xello, look for your to-do list. This is where you'll see exactly what you need to get done. Due dates and statuses help you stay on track, so you always know what's next. Just click on the first activity. It could be an interactive lesson to get you thinking about your future, or a fun quiz that matches you to careers you've never even considered. Read the at-a-glance info, and then jump right in to get started. Next to your to-do list is your personal dashboard feed. Discover and react to posts about topics you follow, and your saved options in Xello. Next is the top menu. Home is your hub for key activities. Here, you can get to all your lessons, plus any surveys or assignments your teachers have given you. Portfolios is where you can showcase your work and accomplishments. Think of it as your personal highlight reel. And be sure to check out the real game. This is where your future plans get a dose of reality. It's a super fun way to explore different career paths, get a handle on managing money, and make smart choices for the life you're dreaming of. Your to-do list will likely guide you through the next 3 sections. In About Me, you'll build your personal profile, add skills, interests, and experiences, or start a quiz like Matchmaker to see careers that match your interests and personality styles. Once you've got some ideas, you'll spend time learning about those career matches in Explore. Here, you can discover hundreds of careers and thousands of education programs. See the different pathways you can take to reach your chosen destination after high school, whether it's college, an apprenticeship, or something else. And when you're ready, envision your future in plans. This is where you can set goals and connect them to those post-high school pathways you've been exploring. Have something specific in mind? Use the search to quickly find different careers, colleges, and majors. You can save your favorites along the way, and they'll all be neatly stored in saved options. Finally, your profile menu is where you can check messages and see advisement notes from your teachers. You can also update personal information, like your email, and even switch the language if you need to. So go ahead, start by discovering what you need to do, explore, dream big, and build your future with Xello today.